Hey everybody, it's Matthew, and I wanted to spend just a minute to give you a bit of a warning. Now, I know you have signed 20 pages of disclosures and documents, some of which you read and some of that you probably didn't. One of those that I want to make sure you're very clear on is the risk that could save you hundreds of thousands of dollars. The unfortunate reality is in our digital world, as convenient as it is, there are still some risks. There are nefarious people who are trying to coerce you into wiring money to them or providing some personal information of value. And we ask you not to fall for it. If at any point during our real estate transaction, you find that you've received an email that seems suspicious or out of the ordinary, or certainly any email that is asking you for financial information or wiring or to create a username and password or anything, please don't click the link or take any action on it until you have spoken to me or whatever service provider may have sent it. Unfortunately, there are nefarious people, and they have, perhaps for months or years, been watching your email account. They see you exchanging emails with a real estate professional or the settlement attorney, lender, or any of the above. And now they've got a little bit of a hint about what kind of activity or transaction you're in. And so they start to watch a little bit more in your email, and they finally start to fabricate emails that appear to come from another trusted professional in the business. And then they ask you for wiring money, or they ask you to create a username or password of some sort so that they have that information, because most of you are using username and passwords that match other accounts that you've already created because it's easier in memory. So a couple of things. During this transaction, you will be asked to create a portal where you and I will change information in a confidential way and on a server that hosts all your documents. Your loan officer will have a similar encrypted system. Maybe the settlement company will have these systems. But they'll be reasonable for them to ask you to log in. They'll send you information. And of course, I, as your agent or the providers here, will let you know to expect these things and what system they're coming from. Then once you've created those systems, if you get any other information out of the ordinary, let us know. When you do create the systems, make sure you're using a unique password that is only used for these related accounts, because you don't want, if the nefarious person already has your email password and use that again for this new encrypted system, they now have access to the new encrypted system. So please make sure that you're using unique passwords for any systems you create during our transaction together. And if anything seems out of the ordinary, or anybody's asking you for money or any personal data in which you were not expecting to be asked, please reach out to us, let us know, and give us a chance. Don't click a link. And certainly don't give any wiring or banking information without first confirming with us that that is what we requested or what we need. Again, thank you so much. Here's to a healthy and safe transaction and a successful real estate move for you and your family. Thanks so much.